show a little cleave. That'd be hilarious. Okay.
That's definitely making me
No, it's not.
Okay. I'm Ronnie, this is Shari, and this is Shut Up and Drink Intro. We're continuing our route down canned cocktails. So you found these guys. Where were they at?
We were kind of in Oakland, California,
Yes.
and I found them at my local bodega called Eddie's Liquors and Spirits.
I like Eddie's.
On
Yes.
College Avenue. Love them there, by the way.
So we have Laughing Glass.
Yeah, the company is called Laughing Glass. It's owned by 2 female co-founders, so they already have bonus points for me, considering I was one of 2 co-founders as well of a beverage company. There's not all that much information about these RTD, which means ready to drink cans. I think they must be a newer offering from Laughing Glass. They have like larger bottles that are multi-serve, but this must be a somewhat newer offering. I didn't find them on their website.
We have a lime margarita, which is always, it's not like a points down for this,
Yes.
but the lime margarita, it kind of annoys me.
So, about these, I mean, the ingredients seem relatively clean and simple.
Yep.
This is a sparkling canned cocktail. It's in a very trendy, skinny canned, and it does have a lower calorie content. Well, we know that it's in milliliters, and we didn't translate it. 355 milliliters. I think it's probably around a 12-ounce can. I'm assuming-ish.
Oh, 148. So 148 milliliters is 5 ounces, and there's 355.
This is my question mark, me no good at math on the fly face.
Do your math right now. So this is a 355 milliliter can, and this is where I have issues with this and how we get away with it in the U.S. Serving size is 5 ounces. Which is 148 milliliters. It's a 355 milliliter can.
There's reasons, right? So they want to say
Yes.
100 calories per serving on their
Yeah.
label. It's attractive. It competes with the hard seltzers. Anyway, I'm going down my old sales route. But we're going to be tasting 2. There's the Pink Paloma, which is also tequila. We have but both of them are around 240 calories a bottle. Not sure about the sugar content there. I could not find a nutrition panel online, but they are sparkling, and they're around 8%. I think both of them are 8% alcohol, so they're on the lower side.
In our last video, we were talking about, specifically me, I was saying how the Cutwater, I want to be sparkling. I want sparkling in there.
Yeah.
They're sparkling.
I'm excited about this.
You brought me sparkling. This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm definitely excited to try them. I like the look of the can. I think that, there's points up for the design. It's clean. I don't love that there's like not enough nutritional information or ingredient information on here for me. Like
logo, love it. So you have lime margarita, lime green. You have Pink Paloma, grapefruit pink.
I like the colors.
It's good.
I like the single color
also,
white.
It's
classy.
Also the pastel colors of them. I'm really fucking down with. I love.
No,
the
I see
pastels.
that. I think pink grapefruit. I see this. I think fine. All right, let's taste one.
Let's just drink.
Let's drink. It's been like 10 minutes since I've had a sip of something that's no bueno. Porridge. All right.
Let's go with the lime? Yeah, let's go with the lime. Okay.
Lime first. Bye-bye, Pink
So you can
Paloma.
see it right there.
So obviously no shaking on this because it's sparkling. Always pour your partner first.
Yeah, I fucked up the first time we did this.
Oh, did you?
I did.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Didn't even notice. It's like Bronx Tale. Okay, it smells fizzy. It doesn't have actually much of like a nose. It doesn't have much of a nose.
No. For those at home, a nose means literally the scent.
That's the wino-iness. Okay.
I'm a wine connoisseur.
I did actually go up and take classes to become a sommelier at some point. Okay, it's lighter. Right up the bat. Less sweet. It's not super fizzy though.
It's not, no. I like fizz. Love the fizz.
No, I want like extreme fizz. Like lots and lots of small bubbles. That doesn't go flat easy. Okay, so where am I at with this? 8%. So that's like drinking like a decent IPA. Going to get a regular.
So I just poured some fresh in, and it loses its fizz really quickly.
It does. It has a little bit of that sweet and sour mix vibe, but it's not heavy.
No.
Does it taste like a margarita to me?
No.
Do I taste tequila? I gotta learn that technique, the little slurry taste right there.
It aerates it in your mouth. It's a wine technique.
He learns something new every day, man. It's not
Outside
super
is.
sweet.
It's not super
There
sweet.
is a balance going on.
It tastes like a margarita, kinda. But it does. It does have for me, it has the tequila aftertaste.
No, I understand. Like it has, like you can tell what you're drinking is boozy. It's weird.
Yes.
I don't know if that's used in wine. It's like a dusty flavor thing.
Yes.
It's not a bad thing.
No. It's more
the predominant flavor is still that random citrus.
It's the random citrus.
Random citrus. I like that it's sparkling, but it's not It doesn't retain the sparkle enough, so it's a little bit of a down. But it does have a balance to it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a little tangier, which is good. You know, there's a lot of sweet stuff out there. It's a little tangier. It is cut. Again, 240 calories for 355 milliliters. Like I could go lower. I would prefer it to be like 140 calories for the entire can. It's just that 8%, I want like a bang for my buck in terms of my alcohol content. If we're being legit and real.
Shush.
The cat.
My cat's a menace.
Downside is that it doesn't retain the sparkle. Anyhow, it's missing like some information that makes you do math, and who wants to do math when you're drinking? Like
1.5 or 2.5 servings or 2.4 servings.
2.4 servings is actually it's a strange number. No, good for a cooler, you know, chill beach party kind of thing.
Oh, it's from King City, California. Yeah, 4 Moms on the Rocks Inc. in San Anselmo, California. This is local.
Target demographic right here. All right, so we talked pros, we talked cons. You know, the highest score that it's been given so far is a 5.9. 5.9 by him, not me. 5.1. So my high score is 5.1 for this lime margarita. Going with a 5.2.
5.2.
5.2.
All right, you went 5.2.
Yeah, I kind of have room to grow.
I'm gonna go. You said 5.2?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it.
You can say the same.
I'm gonna say 5.2.
Same Z's.
I went down. Same Z's.
Wow.
It's balanced, it's drinkable. I don't dislike it.
Yeah, this is river can cocktail.
Sip and smile with only 100 calories per 5 servings. Drink ice cold, garnish with good friends, and a side of laughter.